Why does my resin have a lip on it? Hey there, welcome to the Art Lab. My name is Andy and today we're going to find out why resin, when it cures, has a lip and what you can do about it. If you're new to resin art and crafts, then you may be wondering why your resin art piece has a lip on it. Now this is because of something called surface tension. So when you fill a mold up, so for this example we're filling up a silicon coaster mold, once the resin cures it shrinks. However, the areas where it doesn't shrink are on the edges where the resin touches the silicon. So these areas are a little bit higher than the rest of the resin, and so this gives you a lip when you take it out of the silicon mold. Now there's a few things you can do to fix that. If it's just in a coaster like this one here, which is going to be flat and it's on the bottom, I mean you can just leave it because you're not going to see it anyway. However, it is a little bit sharp, so you may want to rectify that so no one cuts their fingers on it. Now you can use a tool like this one here, and this is a deburring tool, and you use this to go around that sharp edge and it will remove that lip of resin around your artwork. The second thing you can do is you can sand it. So you can get your sander out, either hand sand or if you've got like an orbital sander, and you can sand that edge down. Thirdly, you can do what's known as a flood coat. So once your piece is out of the silicone mold, then you put another coat of resin on top of it, and this resin then will go over the edges and ensure that it is nice and level and there's no more lip. This video is part of the Resin FAQ playlist that you can see here on my channel. I've also got a link to the FAQ on my website, andysartlab.com, where you can find all of these questions. If you've got a new question, feel free to ask it in the comments below and I'll make a video answering it for you. Thanks very much for watching today. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber already, click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can see when more videos like this are released. Until next time, keep creating.